So the Board of Trustees is standing here behind Diane as a visible sign of shared leadership and support as we begin this sacred ceremony. Together, we are here to bless a sacred tradition, and that is the installation of Reverend Diane Robertson as Senior Minister of Seattle Unity. In ministry, we don't simply accept a position, we enter a covenant. This is a holy calling, one that asks not only for voice and wisdom, but for heart, hands, presence, and the willingness to grow alongside the people that we serve. So today we're honoring that calling. Ministry is multifaceted. It includes prayer, worship, pastoral care, teaching, learning, leading sacred rituals, crafting programs, budgets, and seeing the good in others. It's about holding the high watch for the community and for the world. It's witnessing births and deaths, doubt and devotion, endings and new beginnings. So Diane, you are stepping into a living stream, one that's been flowing long before us and is going to continue long after. And you do not enter it alone. This community is with you, and the Spirit of God goes before you and makes your way clear. So I'm going to ask you 3 questions as you accept this role. Do you accept the sacred calling to serve as Senior Minister of Seattle Unity?
I do.
Will you hold this leadership with love, courage, faith, and humor?
I do.
Will you replenish your soul with self-care and healthy boundaries so that you may tend to others?
I do.
So we have a few tools of ministry, and the first is a stole. And I offer you this stole as a symbol of your call to spiritual leadership. So may it rest gently on your shoulders and deeply in your heart. And we're going to bless your hands with some sacred oil. And so we recognize that these hands are God's hands. And these are the hands with which you will tend to your community and to this world. These are the hands that will do the work of Spirit. And so may you be guided and may you be blessed as you lead this community in your care. And finally, the last. So may this light represent the spiritual light of this community. And may you hold it, not alone, but with others, as you tend to the flame. I pass it on to you. And now to our board. You are not simply stewards of an organization. You are stewards of a vision, guardians of the spiritual container in which this ministry unfolds. So will you commit to partnering with Diane in spiritual leadership, to listen deeply, speak truthfully, act ethically, and hold both the mission and vision with integrity and care? Will you support this ministry not only with your good governance, but with prayerful presence, mutual respect, and a willingness to grow alongside Reverend Diane and this community?
We will.
And now you guys get to commit. So please stand. So I'm asking each one of you here, will you support Reverend Diane with your prayers, presence, humor, and love?
Yes.
Will you seek the good in each other and serve when asked to serve? What? What? Maybe. Will you walk this path with Reverend Diane through celebration and challenge? And will you support this ministry with your time, talent, and treasure? All right, I'm going to hold you to that. So let's just have a prayer. May Reverend Diane Robertson walk in humility, courage, and joy. May the work of this community deepen and expand to become a beacon of light to Seattle and to the world. And may we remember that true ministry does not live only in the one who wears the stole, but in every heart that says yes to love. And so, Reverend Diane Robertson, on behalf of Unity Worldwide Ministries, I now officially install you as Senior Minister to Seattle Unity.